together.
Yes! Yay! Look! The rainbow has 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. This fruit is delicious. I love bananas. Apples are my favorite.
These tiny lights are fireflies, Mira. They make the night magical.
Lights.
Once upon a time, in a big green forest.
See. Ha 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 ha.
Now let's go take care of the farm.
Yes.
Let's work in the vegetable garden. 1, 2, 3. We did it! Welcome to our farm, dear friends. We're so happy you're here.
Rainy day, let's all play. Inside the tree house, hip, hip, hooray!
After the fresh sunshine,
Let's learn something new today.
look at all the colors in nature.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
When we're tired, it's important to rest.
Taking breaks helps our bodies recover.
The stars are like giant balls of fire, very far away. Stretch up high, reach for the sky. Wiggle your toes, touch your nose. Go, Chiku, go! Yay, Bruno!
Thank you.
Whoosh goes the wind, so strong and so free, making the leaves dance on every tree. shapes is so much fun. Look around, everyone.
These flowers are round, like the sun.
Come on, everyone. Let's have a picnic. What a lovely day for it. The big red fire truck zoomed down the street.
Wow.
Laughs heartily.
Do you know that dreams are like little movies our minds make when we sleep? Good night.